Blind Train is a team-building trust event where blindfolded members of the patrol must depend upon the lead of one unblindfolded patrol member to guide them through a predetermined course.
I can't say anything. Is there somebody right there? Yeah.
Walter.
What is it? Oh, Walter's right here.
How?
That
was me.
Still.
I'm off.
Light turn to the left. Light turn to the left. And now step up. Step up whenever you feel it. Keep going.
You'll know when the first person in front of you goes.
Oh God, your shoulder. Time.
Right here, when you feel the edge, step down.
Dad. Stepping down.
And now turn to the left as soon as you... A sharp turn to the left, a sharp turn to the left. As soon as you step down.
45-degree angle.
No, 90-degree angle.
Last person's off.
Alright. And then another.
Alright, get ready to duck. Tell me when. I'll tell you when. Because I have to also. Alright, slowly. Alright, now crouch down. Everybody crouch down. A little bit lower, a little bit lower. I'm gonna wait till everybody gets down low enough, alright? Everybody keep going. Down. Devin, Ryan, a little bit lower. Alright, stay that low. Keep crawling. Keep crawling.
How about if I just put my hand like up here?
Keep crawling.
I'm like,
You're already out. You're out. Yeah.
this is difficult.
Yeah. Alright, keep coming.
What's above us?
Oh, yeah, I can't.
You're out.
Sharing the experience of sightlessness while depending upon the lead of a fellow scout is a unique opportunity for a patrol to bond together while cooperating with one another.